Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll share with you another high potential airdrop which is part of the Monad ecosystem called Haha Wallet. This is basically a crypto wallet and is available for Android, iOS and as a Chrome extension. If you visit their X account, as you can see, they have 175k followers at the time of making this video. Here, as you can see, they've shared lots of information about their project. You can use iOS, Android or the Chrome extension to join the airdrop. Here I'll show you by using the Chrome extension, but the joining process is the same for all. So click here and you land on this extension page. As you can see, they already have 100k users. So download and install the extension. After that, open the extension and click get started. Now here enter your email, then choose a password. Then here you can use this referral code. I'll provide the link in the description. Then click continue. Now it sends a verification code to that email. So check your email, copy the code and paste it here. Then verify. And now here type your first name and last name. And then click continue. Now you need to set a PIN code. Then click continue. Agree to the terms and select create new wallet. Now you need to save these codes, don't lose them, then tick here and click continue. Your wallet is created successfully. Now click start using wallet. You'll see a dashboard like this and here you'll find lots of options. To join the airdrop, click on this setting icon, then click karma and quest and then here click on daily check-in. As you can see, I've got 10 karma points, so you need to collect this daily. Now here click on this quest section. As you can see, there are lots of tasks here, so you need to complete each one to earn points. For example, connect your Discord account, then authorize, and it's done. Go back and as you can see, there's a tick mark. Also connect your X account, then authorize the app, and it's done. Just like this, complete all these tasks to boost your points. Finally, you can share your referral link with friends to boost your points. And that's it for this video. If you want all the updates related to crypto and airdrops, you can join our Telegram channel. In the pinned message, you'll find all the airdrops I'm personally farming. The link is in the description, so check it out. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Goodbye.